Hi, hello. My name is Shravan. Today I am going to unbox the JBL C100 True Wireless Stereo. Let's check what's inside the box. I got this product from Flipkart. As promised, it got delivered in 2 days. Here we go. Inside the box, I got charging cable, extra dips, and earbuds. It's very lightweight and compactable. I got this item very cheap in Big Billion Day offer. JBL launch price is 7,999. As you can see, a sound box, and I got it for 2046. It's a great deal for me. So friends, it is very lightweight and very compactable and pretty good design. And I will give you the full performance review after a week. Thank you friends. Please subscribe and do like.